Hey, what's going on, everybody? I haven't uploaded in a very long time. Just getting, I don't know, just been lazy. People have been asking for updates on the Prelude and the conversion and the setup. I actually just got the car running after about 8.5, 9 years. Took me about a month on and off, going back and forth to the shop it was at. There's a new front bumper for it. That's the old one, old cracked one. Son just took it, so ordered a new one. It's the spoon for the S and the older bumper for the S. Needs a lot of body work. Yeah. So the paint's starting to come up again. This is that Bayside blue color off the Skyline. Took off the side skirts. Bought just some OEM ones. Got all the pieces are still in here. I gotta put the center console back together. You can really see the glare. But it does start now. Went through 2 fuel pumps, ignition control module. I put all new tires on it. Another blow-off valve HKS. Car still runs. Well, it runs now. I got to do a lot of body work. A lot of the old paneling I had around and moldings around the headlights when I molded them broke off just from sitting weather. It's cutting the cage out. I'll probably keep the rear hoop. I'm going to take the front out. I started cutting it up, so yeah, that's where we sit now. And as for the S, it's on its second wide body. This is the M&M kit. I still got to put my spoon diffuser back on. Yeah. New tail lights for it. Hard top I've had for a while. Same hood. The canyards. I still got to do paint to the whole car. I don't know what color, but we'll see. I may paint both of them once I do the body work. But yeah, that's just a small update. I gotta put gas in the Prelude, so once I do that, we'll take it for a spin and I'll shoot another vid. Thanks.